Hi, I'm Semini Kolatilakar and I'm 21 years old. I studied at Mrs. College and I completed my O-levels in 2015. As soon as I was done with my O-levels, I decided I would be going ahead with the degree pathway since that would be benefited for me to start my career life as soon as possible. So I started with the foundation level in business management and I completed my high national diploma in business management and got specialized in marketing. In 2019, I got graduated from Northumbria University, Newcastle, from UK, with the second class honors in international business management. So while I was done with my degree, I was working for some time, and while I was working, I was searching for opportunities that I could go ahead with my postgraduate studies as well. So one day I came across ACCHE from a Facebook post, and then I wanted to have a thorough understanding about ACCHE and about their service, how they would go ahead with the process and everything. So since I wanted some consultation, I visited them and I had a private consultation session with them, and also Ravi Hari guided me throughout all the process, that how would be the offer letter will be done, and how would be the visa process will be done, and how would be the college and everything will be done. So I think my first impression about ACCHE was really great, because they had a proper plan. They had a proper plan for everyone, whoever comes to ACCHE, to get to know about information about the colleges and everything. And also they had a numerous number of universities and colleges in their list, and also not only from one country but also from several countries such as Canada, UK and Australia. So I think I was since I wanted to have a little bit of a change, I selected a university. I selected a college from Canada, that was Georgian College. So I was able to select my perfect degree pathway and also for the postgraduate studies with the proper consultation from ACCHE. And also when it comes to the visa process and everything, it was a little bit hard to get done everything with the COVID-19 situation going on in Sri Lanka, because we were having issues to lodge our visa since we had to do it through online. But thanks to ACCHE, I was able to get it done on time, without any hassle, because they were helping throughout all the visa processes. It was ACCHE who applied for my visa and also go ahead and filled all the documents on behalf of me, and also helped me throughout each and everything that I had to get done in order to lodge my visa and receive my visa. So luckily at the moment I have received my visa, and I'm planning to fly as soon as possible to Canada in order to complete my postgraduate degree. So what I would say is I would highly recommend ACCHE and also their private consultation processes and everything for anyone who would looking for opportunities. Go ahead and do their studies in abroad. This is the best place that you can ever find, because everything from top to bottom, everything is perfect. They would do anything and everything in order to give you a better service. So good luck with everything, ACCHE, and thank you so much for doing this to me and giving me the opportunity to study in Canada at Georgian College. Thank you so much.